Today we're going to take a high-level look at why and how risk analysis is performed on linear projects. This video is brought to you in partnership of Untitled Institute and Linear Project Software. While all projects occur on locations, the key aspect of linear projects is how it adds a distance dimension to each activity. Linear projects with this distance dimension include high-rise buildings on the vertical, or roads, pipelines, and railways on the horizontal. The distance element and underlying risk it entails are not well represented in traditional scheduling tools such as Gantt charts. Gantt charts lack the ability to visualize the distance element of each activity. Traditional representations of a schedule for a high-rise building project use Gantt or bar charts, with time on one axis and a form of the work breakdown structure on the other. Location-based scheduling allocates quantities to the locations and takes into consideration resourcing required to complete these works, including production rates, crew sizing, logic between tasks, and any requirements for splitting or buffering works. This technique allows managers to identify potential risks that can arise due to complexities from on-site work conflicts, resource constraints, and other issues. The reasons for linear projects running over budget and schedule are well documented and are almost always due to errors in judgment and subsequent errors in decision making. Here's an example of the very large linear projects. London Crossrail. Originally planned to be opened in 2018, it is currently expected that the central section will start operation in summer of 2021. One of the key methods used to minimize the impact of management biases is risk analysis and risk management. Risk-adjusted location charts provide a reality check on the feasibility of the schedule to complete on time and budget. Running a quantitative Monte Carlo risk analysis on the schedule and comparing the results with the current plan not only provides a more realistic forecast for when a project could be completed, but it also identifies the critical phases in the project that have the most risk. A Monte Carlo risk analysis is performed on the schedule by importing the schedule into Monte Carlo simulation software. The data includes activity parameters such as start time, finish time, duration, and resources. Then risks with probabilities in schedule and cost impacts are assigned to activities. At this point, a simulation is run and probabilities of meeting specific objectives can be determined. The results of this analysis can be exported back into the location-based chart, which allows a visual comparison of the current schedule versus the more realistic risk-adjusted schedule. Thank you for watching this video on risk analysis and location-based charts. If you have questions regarding this video or the software tools used, please feel free to contact either Untitled Institute or Linear Project Software for more information or to schedule a demonstration.